I'm here today, baby. Yes, all by myself. Hello, everybody. Come on in. Come on in. Let's share it out. Okay, y'all, we getting ready to cook something. Now, if you was in here yesterday, we had spaghettis, Italian spaghettis, and we do have some left over, but we also had some chicken from the, what was that? The Popeyes, replicating the Popeyes menu. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry that up. It's gonna be the chicken sandwiches because we had a few pieces of that chicken left. Hey everybody, welcome, 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 welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Hey y'all, we here cooking. We getting ready to cook some sandwiches. Okay y'all, let's get with it. Okay, first we going to, I had to stuff in order how I was going to do it. First we're going to crush up these crackers. Because that's going to be the bad. I want my chicken to be crunchy, crunchy. I want my chicken on my chicken sandwich to be crunchy. So first we're going to crush up these crackers. Welcome, welcome everybody. How are you? Thanks for coming in. I appreciate it. Make sure y'all like. So y'all, only thing I'm doing, I'm just crushing up the crackers. Then I'm gonna add that breadcrumb in here. That's crazy. Okay, y'all, we got it crushed up. Breadcrumb. Oh yeah, this smells good. This is the Italian breadcrumbs. Okay, y'all, we got that. That's one step. We're going to move to the other step. And we're going to get the frying. This is the bowl I need to put it in. Okay, we got the breadcrumbs done. We got that. Next, we need to make the flour. So this is just your all-purpose flour. Cornstarch. Oh, gotta be real careful with cornstarch. That stuff will be everywhere. Okay, this is flour, cornstarch, and I'm gonna season the flour and cornstarch up. That's onion powder, garlic powder. I forgot that garlic powder come out quick. Salt. Salt, salt, pepper. Paprika. And then slap, baby. And this is a small one. I need to give me some more. Slap your mama. Well, yeah, slap your mama. And we only got a little cayenne pepper. Stuck in the corners. Okay. So we're gonna just mix that together. Okay, y'all. That's the flour. The flour mixture. We got the flour mixture. We got the breadcrumbs, flour mixture. Next is going to be the liquid. So this is, we're totally out of buttermilk. But okay, so this is whole milk. I'm gonna turn this whole milk into buttermilk. So we're gonna add 2 capsules of vinegar. Okay, babe, I'm gonna eyeball it. Now this is how you make a quick buttermilk. Now I wouldn't make this to drink. I mean, I don't care for buttermilk like that to drink. That was about 3 capfuls. But I have made it to like batter my food that I'm frying. So let's season the buttermilk. Hot sauce. Let's add some hot sauce, about a tablespoon. Black pepper, onion powder. I don't know if y'all, if you know, you know. If you born in the 70s and 80s, that's how people used to say, this whole thing. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I did paprika. Paprika really just give color. It really don't. Slap your mama. So we mixing all that together. Y'all, this is gonna be crispy. Crispy, crispy. Okay, it's all mixed up. So baby, I'm getting the gloves. Okay, y'all ready? Here's the chicken. All right, y'all, this is the chicken at the buttermilk. We're gonna put it in the flour. Flour flying everywhere. And we're gonna shake that off. Shake as much flour off. And then we're gonna put it in the buttermilk. Shake that. And then we're gonna put it in the breadcrumb. This is the same method I used when I did my chicken fried steak. That's a chicken fried steak. Okay? And you don't want to get wet. See, this hand is wet and this hand is dry. But sometimes you will make a mistake and forget. Move this back over here. I think I'm getting confused. Okay. How was everybody's day today? It's a Monday, one of them days where you be like, oh no. But I hope y'all had a good Monday and preparing for a blessed Tuesday. You had a good day? Who else had a good day? The grease getting hot. We're going to test it and we're going to get the frying. Come on. Woo! 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 We here. Let's put it in. For some reason, this one is hotter. It's chicken breast, so it don't take that long for chicken breast. I'll say about like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We have the toast in the oven. It's still got another 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, we're just gonna make a simple sauce. We did 2 big spoons of mayo, and sriracha, the ranch. So everything about like 2 tablespoons. Majority, and who want the spicy chicken sandwich? Who want the regular chicken sandwich? Okay, y'all, 2 times spice on the garlic toast. The onion, lettuce, chicken sandwich. Woo! Okay? Woo! Look at that there. You need a little extra salt. The energy and all that good stuff. Woo! Yes, look at that. Look at that there. Look at that there, baby. We put a little slap your mama. voila, y'all see that? Who's ready to taste? Okay. Come on, who want to bite? Y'all gotta hear him get to 0. Look at that. Mmm. Let's bite. Who's ready? Woo! Okay, y'all. Mmm. 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 Y'all, it do need a little bit more because all that bread and meat, it need a little bit more salt.
That's what I heard the crunch through the screen.
Did y'all? Y'all heard the Take a bite, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
So you know it's good when you dance.
Y'all, when I say that is delicious with that garlic toast, yeah, it's good. Mmm. 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 Y'all, with that garlic toast, it's good. Because I have had it on a bun, a Hawaiian bun. And I haven't had it like this. James ordered this one. The keto one. No bread. It's 2 chicken patties. And they have lettuce, pickles. They have the spicy sauce. So I'm going to try that. That's a lot of meat. Mmm. Mmm.